Here is the best way on how to play Undertale on your Android device. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know how to play Undertale on your Android device. First up, what you need to do is just simply go ahead and open up your web browser. So I'm using Google Chrome for this video. Just go ahead and open it up. Once you open it up, here as you can see the website is already loaded, but if you don't have an idea of it, just simply type in apk pure. And once you type it in, here as you can see, you just need to go ahead and open it up, and you simply need to download APK Pure app. So I already have it downloaded, but you just need to go ahead and press on download APK, and it's just simple. After that, you just have to download it, but be sure it's on your Android device. So once the APK Pure is downloaded, here as you can see, just open up the app, and right over here you just need to go to the search bar and you need to type in Undertale. So I'm just gonna type in Undertale again, and here we go. Now here as you can see, this is Undertale right over here, and we can see the screenshots as well. So in order to download and install it, so we're just gonna press install, and here we go. Just need to allow settings and install. So yeah, here we go. Now it's installing. So yeah, this is exactly it on how to play Undertale on your Android device.